Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're making one of the original Hair of the Dog cocktails, the Corpse Reviver number 2. Corpse Reviver drinks, Hair of the Dog drinks, these were basically designed to be cures for hangovers. So the idea is you would have one of these drinks the next day and it would make the hangover go away. Now, whether or not that actually works is debatable, but these are still really good drinks that you can enjoy even if you don't have a hangover. So let's make the Corpse Reviver number 2. It's equal parts, 4 ingredients, so let's get started with some gin. We're using Bombay Sapphire, and that's going to be 3/4 ounces of our London Dry Gin. Okay, next up is going to be our Cointreau. You could also use triple sec, any orange liqueur. I recommend using a clear orange liqueur, not Curacao. Otherwise, the drink's gonna kind of. It has a nice clear color to it. We want to maintain that. So 3/4 ounces of our Cointreau. Next up, Lillet Blanc. So you could use a Cocchi Americano here. Originally it was made with Quina Lillet, which was a predecessor to the Lillet Blanc. But apparently a lot of people swear that Cocchi is actually a closer match to the original Quina. I couldn't tell you, I've never had the original Quina, so. And our last ingredient is lemon juice. Once again, 3/4 ounces. And that's it. It's a 4 ingredient, equal measurement drink. So what we want to do now is we want to get some ice and fill our glass. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. Shots being fired in my bar. Must be coming from Vino's latest video.
No, you know what? I'm going to float it in the water because that's what Rob did, because he was being snobby about the spin wheels. Snobby! Rob's like a big, smoky drink guy. Guys, I think he's got a bit of a problem, but, you know, whatever, teach his own.
I get no respect. But in all seriousness, check out Vino's channel, 60-second cocktail. Go subscribe to him. The link is in the description. Okay, let's get our glass. We're going to be serving this in a Nick and Nora, nice and chilled. But before we pour, there's one final ingredient to this drink, and that is an Absinthe Rinse. Alright, so we're just going to set that aside. Now, normally, an Absinthe Rinse would be, you pour some absinthe in the glass, you roll it around, and then you dump it. But, like I've done in previous videos, I'm going to use an atomizer, and I'm just going to spritz the glass with some absinthe. You could also just give it a dash of absinthe into your mix and shake it with the other ingredients. To be honest, that wouldn't make a big difference. But I've got the atomizer, so I'm going to use it, so I'm going to spritz the glass. Okay, slow sexy pour. Follow me on Instagram, RobIMX. We are looking good. Now, traditionally, you could garnish this one with a Luxardo cherry. I actually don't like that garnish for this one. I find that the cherry syrup is going to kind of sully and cloud up our nice bright color. So I'm going to stick with a simple lemon peel, but I'm going to give it a bit of a sexier peel. So we're going to cut off the edges, clean them up. I think the drink looks sophisticated. I think a nice clean lemon peel, lemon twist will be a good garnish. So give it a twist and pull. It'll hold its shape, and then simply place it in the glass. And that is our Corpse Reviver number 2. So let's give it a taste. So right off the bat, on the nose, we're going to get some citrus, going to get some anise from the absinthe, but it's not overpowering. On the palate, it's very bright, it's very fresh and clean. Citrus forward, the Lillet gives it some sweetness, and on the finish, you get kind of all the botanicals from the gin. It's a really nice, bright, and clean drink. It goes down easy. It's not stiff or strong in any way. It's quite good. I recommend you give it a try. Whether or not I'm gonna have a bunch of these and unrevive the corpse, who knows? But I highly recommend it. Give it a try, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time. Cheers.